luxury is no longer about owning a bigger home. Luxury is about owning what very few people can own, and that's exactly what Raheja is bringing to you today. Presenting to you Raheja Atlantis, which is located in Srinagar. Imagine living in a 3 plus 47-story tower, and the configurations here they have is 3 and 4 bedroom apartment. But this project is not only about the carpet area or the flats and apartments, it is more about the lifestyle which this offers. You will be having all the world-class amenities and lifestyle here with amazing amenities such as temperature control swimming pool, kids pool and many more pools. You have jacuzzi deck, floating cafes, you have luxury hospitality experiences here, pickleballs, gymnasium, kids play area and much more which they are offering in this community. So this project is bang on Sine Panvel highway, which means अगर आपको मुंबई connect करना है और Panvel side, you can directly connect within just 20 to 30 minutes of time away. Now nearest station is Juinagar railway station, which is walking distance of 5 minutes. Vashi station is approximately 8 to 10 minutes of distance away. Project is just opposite to DY Patil, so within just 2 minutes. Now if I tell you about Navi Mumbai International Airport and Atal Setu, तो वो भी within 20 to 25 minutes के distance पे ही है इस project से. So amazing connectivity this offers. Now let's move in and check out the sample flat they have. So let's check out the luxurious 3-bedroom apartment, and this is the living space. ये आप खुद देख सकते हैं कि कितना spacious है, and you're getting a private personal deck space as well, where you will be having amazing views and ventilation. This is the perfect, and आप देख सकते हैं beautifully इनका interior design हुआ है just to show you how you can utilize this space. आपका sitting setup के exactly सामने is your dining space. Now 4 to 6 people, and even more than that, you have a dining space over here with a proper window where you can enjoy your dreamy views from outside, and this side is your kitchen. So let's check that out. So this is the kitchen, and as you see यहाँ पर kitchen भी बहुत spacious है. You have everything. आप अपने हिसाब से यहाँ पे cabinets बना सकते हैं. That side is the refrigerator space, and let me show you the best part is here that you're getting servant room as well. तो ये आपका servant का पूरा space है. You have a space here. यहाँ पे you can build in cabinets for them, and this is the washroom. तो यहाँ पे आपका restroom washroom का space है. This side is your washing machine setup. तो यहाँ पर भी आप space को कैसे utilize करना चाहो, that's totally on you. So let's move to the first bedroom. This is the common bedroom, and as you see यहाँ पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी space है. You can see आपको यहाँ पर proper window मिलने वाला है where you'll have amazing hill views or city views as you wish. This is the complete setup. तो आपका bedroom setup के साथ this is the wardrobe space, and exactly इसके सामने is our washroom. So let's enter the washroom. So you will be having a common washroom. Western style का washroom है, premium fittings के साथ, shower is completely separate. If you want, you can build in cabinets in your washroom as you wish to. Let's move to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. This is a master bedroom. Ample of space यहाँ पर भी है. आपका king size bed setup के साथ आपका wardrobe space आ गया. Then you have side tables, dressing table. अगर आपको यहाँ पे करना है, you can go for it. And this is the washroom. So western style का washroom है. Again, shower area separate है. यहाँ पर भी वैसे ही है, premium fitting. So let's enter the third bedroom. This is again a master bedroom. And as you see, if you're into fitness, yoga, gym, आपको घर पर workout करना है, you have all that space here. Apart from आपका king size bedroom setup, you have your dressing table, and this side is your personal deck space. यहाँ से you can enjoy your hill views, amazing city views, whatever you wish to have. Amazing personal private space के साथ इतना luxury project. ये आपका पूरा wardrobe space आ गया, and moving towards the washroom. So again, the shower area is here, is separate. Then your western style washroom is here. You have your wash basin. So now the best part of this project is कि यहाँ पर जो आपको lifestyle मिलने वाली है, which I've already mentioned, it is going to be amazing with such amazing amenities, and the lifestyle, it is brilliant. मैं pricing की बात करूँ तो 3-bedroom apartment का price start हो रहा है at 5.50 CR onwards से. So if you need to visit this beautiful sample flat, या फिर अगर आपको और कोई information चाहिए, you can contact us on the number mentioned.